Well, on everybody at Jillian. Yeah, big up dancehall dancing divas. So me tell you this. Them post up my video, and it's funny how enough for una white woman. Me a white woman, you a white woman. Enough for una diss me, triple chat patois, but me look pan on a page, and una a chat patois. Oh, what a blood clot hypocrite. Let me tell you this. Chuck off in here, mama. Nobody vex you, me can chat patois better than you, and people love me off. Me have hate of them too, and me not give a fuck, you see me? And like, it's funny how, now for uno hate my page, anybody with this my page, and I come pre my status them on my Facebook wall, and I comment and beer fuckery. We have follow me. If you don't like me, why you not just click and delete me? Like, we're not even friends. Why you just not block me so you don't have to see anything? We have follow me for. I'm sure you like me secretly, you blood clot hater. Let me tell you this. And second thing, people are telling me about if me go to Jamaica and tell people to suck them mama. Tell you this. Me do it before and me would do it again. A person blood clot disrespect me, I go blood clot disrespect them. What you feel say? I don't care anywhere me there. If somebody disrespect me, me give them back in the worst blood clot. Oh yeah, tell you that. And people, me don't understand what uno feel say. Uno feel say when me go to Jamaica and live there, me sit down at a resort all the time. You're mad. A ghetto place me live, you know. Be your gunman, be your everything around me. Me not afraid of people. Me not judge people. You could have poor, you could have rich, you could have black, white, purple, green, or yellow. Me not give a fuck. As long as you good to me good to you. But uno think say you can come on the blood clot video and I chat and I diss and me just gonna sit there and take that. You're mad. None of uno know me. The people who know me know say me blood clot bad GAZA whitey. Oh, so me tell uno this. Nobody grieve with me video them. All you have to do, no watch them if you don't like them. But it's funny how uno are still a pre me like blood clot TV. Suck uno mama hater. Me I give a fuck what uno I said. Pow.